All right, guys, massive tech time. Let's do it. All right, Don, let me get that fragile one. Thank you. Oh, I already see who it's from. Geek Made, baby. All right, so this is from my friends over at Geek Made Designs. They make some amazing wooden stands. Whew. Check this out. Oh, upside down. So what we're looking at right here, you guys, is a walnut stand for the DualSense Edge controller and Xbox Elite 2 controller. So we're still setting up our entertainment room in the studio, and you know we're gonna have some consoles in there. And I wanted a nice way to display the best controllers for the consoles in there. Let's go see what that looks like. All right, DualSense, Xbox Elite. So we've got the special colorway edition over here, but we got slots underneath so you can put all of the extra accessories. That's one. And it even has a little spot for the charging base, and you can loop the cable underneath it. Boom, and there you have it. This looks amazing. So this is gonna be great in that room. Video coming soon. Ooh, red Apple Watch band from Nomad. This looks serious. This is a nice looking red. So I went ahead and changed the face, and check it out, you guys. That is a good look.
Are you looking right now?
All right, y'all. The volcanic red is my current favorite. Am I? I see what Marquez is all about. I see why he likes it.
Can we switch up the
No. Teal will always be the best, Jay. Now, I think they also make a red iPhone case to go along with this. So if you guys want to check them out, this as well as everything else in the video, it's going to be linked or embedded into this video. It's more Nomad. So they sent us the yellow version of that same sport band, but this right here, their titanium band. This is legit. Did they use actual titanium? Silver titanium with durable DLC coating. Whew, we've learned quite a bit about DLC coating. Diamond-like carbon coating. I've been talking about it in length. You think I'm on some kind of campaign against DLC coating, but that stuff is kind of rough when it comes to devices and screens. It can scratch them up. I don't think that's as much of a concern here. Your watch doesn't really get into contact with devices like that, not screens or anything.
We'll see.
We'll see. TimeGate, what's this? What's a fancy case? Can this do anything? No. Oh, I remember getting this.
What is it?
A clock, but it has multiple screens here. You can see it has like what looks like Apple Watch screens. It has 5 of them, and I think you can have different things on there. Oh man, that looks futuristic. Multi-universe, use with caution, open this brand's format. That's pretty nerdy. And I believe with the app, you can get like pixel art to go ahead and throw onto there. Oh, nice. So we got some stats for the channel over here. That's pretty dope. It's expensive though, too expensive. Oh, you know what? We're gonna need that other package over there, that red one. So what we got right here, you guys, are from the folks over at Alumu. So we featured them in the last Massive Tech unboxing. I personally really like the look of like their cases. So this is for the iPhone 15. What case is this? Oh, so they have a particular case that I love a lot, but the sides are a little too slippery. And it looks like they actually addressed that with this. Okay, this is it. And like I said, the other case was pretty slippery. This one, the sides are not. Oh, so check this out. So this is their multi-tool magnetic metal wallet with a carbon fiber cover. It also has a kickstand. So it's a pretty strong kickstand. You can also have it like that. Oh, there's also a ruler over here, and they've got an RFID card in here, so you could throw it inside of here, you know, protect your cards. It also blocks NFC. That's pretty cool. But we also got an AirPod case over here, and like, I just like the aesthetic, man. The aesthetic is really nice. And this one has a lock mechanism, so you can pop the top if you're ever worried about your AirPods case flying open and you want to make sure you don't lose your AirPods. You can go ahead and have something with a lock if you need it. Whew, so this is their A09. My, what? For AirPods? It also has a lock and it's magnetic. Now this right here is pretty cool. So this is their M01. This is a wireless charging stand. It doesn't really look like one. So this is cool because it can charge 3 Apple devices at once. And it's got like this cool light right here at the bottom to let you know it's doing its thing. And it outputs at 15 watts, which is the fastest you can get for wireless charging. You just don't get like that little MagSafe ring that comes up when you do charge it. But it also charges those other devices. It has the flexibility of being able to turn. But what's also pretty sick is the fact that it's straight up portable. So you can just take it. It comes with a travel case. So you can pop it open, throw it inside of the case, and take it with you. Shout out to Alumu. Let me know what you guys think is like the best thing that they've got over here. Like I said, they make some good looking stuff. Big old case. What's this for? Legion Go? Yeah. This is a case for the Legion Go. I'm not using this.
Wait, how do you tell?
Because it's massive. What other handheld is this big? But also the controllers, the slots for them match the Legion Go's layout. You gotta carry this thing on its own. This is too big for a backpack. But it is, I mean, it's a PC though, right? Can you be mad? Oh, so I think we opened up one of these on Massive Tech a long time ago. It is just a battery organizer. So we've got a ton of stuff in here and we're always needing batteries. It's just nice to have a single spot to kind of keep them all in. What's with all this security? They're just batteries. Are you serious? You gotta, oh, kill your finger. Anyway, so you have a ton of options. It also comes with a meter so that you can see how much juice you've got left. There's a lot of good battery organizers out there. I'll put, I don't know, maybe a different one in the description.
What is it?
I don't know.
Strap onto the shoulder.
Oh.
And we'll have to pull the magnetic attach on it.
It's a MagSafe strap of some, okay, I got you. I mean, I get it. For your bike, your stroller or something, you don't want to have the phone in your hand while you're doing stuff. Just mount it on there and you're good. It's not bad. The quality feels good. And it turns too. Oh, this is what we covered for CES.
Yeah, I bought one for the studio.
So check this out, you guys. I don't know if you caught my CES video, but Targus makes this Ergo flip mouse, and this is actually really cool. Ari tells me all the time, this is a righty's world, right? But this mouse allows you to basically switch hands if you need to. So this is it. This is the mouse, and it's an ergonomic mouse, so you can just have your thumb resting. It feels really good. But let's say you're not a righty. This is not the way you feel comfortable. All you have to do is pop the top, swap, boom. Now it's in lefty mode. That's a very good and considerate buy, Jay.
Thank you.
I will be happy.
I mean, I bought it for the studio, but...
I mean, yeah, when she's here. Jay's like, studio. All right, y'all, so now we got some more stuff. Let's see. Okay, so took long enough. But I got myself the Inzone earbuds, or the Inzone Buds. Now, I don't know how many of you know this, but Sony Electronics and PlayStation, kind of different. So, of course, they're all under Sony, but they obviously handle different hardware. But the Sony Electronics team was like, you know what? We can make PlayStation stuff. So that's what we have here. Let's pop this guy open. Oh, they're small. Well, the cases look small. These, oh man, these are clean. They definitely give me like Sony Electronics vibes. This feels like a pair of Sony earbuds. So these will actually work with your PS5 or your PC. And I think this is the dongle that it comes with. So you got a PS5 side and you've got your PC side. So if you want to just use it with your phone, you can. These look super clean. Not to mention, of course, USB cable and ear tips. And oh baby, we got a big one over here. Look at all this wasted space. All right, so over here, we got the newest Dyson V15S. So it's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Ooh, oh baby. Now, how does this work? Where does the water come in? Okay, so it's got like a little reservoir over here. Now it's the V15S because submarine over there, but it's got all of the other heads you expect as well. And this, if you want to attach any extra accessories. All right, last thing, I think this is for the submarine for when you're done using it. interesting. It doesn't need to use the vacuum portion, so this is completely quiet. It's sending the power to here to do all that mopping it's gonna do. They're expensive though, man. So this is a charging stand for the PlayStation Portal. Okay, so here it is. Just straight up charging stand for PlayStation Portal. So it has a USB-C, you like that. You have this USB-C adapter. Okay, you add that on there, and then you pretty much just place it right up top, and boom. It does wobble a little bit though. It's not a nice clean fit. It's got a little extra space, but it's fine. Okay, I know what this is. Don't judge me. You know what this green means, right?
Xbox?
Yeah, man. The Xbox Series S toaster. You ever seen anything like that? I don't think so. But yeah, guys, this is a legit Xbox Series S toaster. You know, it looks like the system. What's nice here is when you put your toast in and then you pop it out, it's got like the Xbox logo toasted onto it. You get some branded toast. I mean, everything else is super basic, but it's got an LED digital countdown. This is gonna be perfect for our kitchen, right? Like, I mean, come on, look at that. It fits right in. So check this out, you guys. I actually got my hands on this a long time ago, and I'm finally opening it. Super SAF style sunglasses. SAF came out with a new version. I'm here to check it out. But yeah, you know, I'm feeling very sappy over here. But those sunglasses that he's always wearing, he actually sells them. So if you guys want to get your super SAF style up, I'll have it linked down below. But I mean, it's clean. Nice microfiber cloth. Boom. Oh, so we got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And this is it. So for those of you who don't know, this is basically a camera on a gimbal, and it has a built-in screen. But what's nice is you got this screen here that is rotatable. So now you're shooting in landscape. And when you're done with it, you can just store it right in here. And it also comes with this handle, I believe. So here you get a little bit of extra room to work with. You can charge from right here as well. Also comes with a USB C-to-C cable. And you also get a lanyard. Since this thing is so small, you might not want to lose it. I want to try this out some more. I think it's pretty dope. Oh, this is some kind of RGB Nixie Clock LED tube simulation. You just plug this in. Ooh, whoa. I kind of love how they're in like different dimensions. It's layered. Some of the numbers are up front while some are in the back. So check out the seconds. You see it moving back? Yeah, this is probably gonna live in my office for sure, since it matches the theme that I've got going on in there. Listen, stick with me, you guys. You can't have a ugly looking setup when you're getting tips from me, all right? Did I buy this for the house? Oh, no, this is massive tech. So it's a smart UV cutting board and knife set. So let's see. So right here, we found our knives. This is the UV cleaner, and these are the cutting boards. Okay, a sharpener for your knives. And over here, we have our holder. So with this, you can click it, it'll push out hot air, double click, and you'll disinfect, and please don't stare at the UV light. All right, so you know, you got various cutting boards. This is for fish, I guess, bread, meat, and vegetables. But you throw them all in here. I think this is like one of those things that's all over social media. Ooh. Okay, that looks kind of sharp. A seafood knife. This is for fruits and vegetables. Dom, I like the way you think, man. So you can keep your stuff away from each other just in case. This is a meat knife. And then this is our cooked food knife. And boom. All right, so you know, you get your stuff all set up. You plug it in, one click. All right, so it sounds like the hot air is going, and I'm sure the UV lights are turning on to disinfect it. And please don't stare at the UV light.
Can you see the UV light?
No. I'm like low-key peeking. Like I want to see the light, but you're not supposed to. Don't do this at home, kids. Oh, see, this is why they tell you not to use sharp knives on your boxes, because then you slice right through like the product packaging. Anyway, so check it out. Jay, You know the portable charger that we've got. This is like their upgraded version. But what's different this time around, oh, okay. It's got like this metallic silver look to it. So this is a 27,650 milliamp hour portable charger. It has a smart app and it's 250 watts of output. So you're charging anything with that. Almost charge up like a gaming PC or a gaming laptop rather, decently. Now you get 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A. I wish it had more ports, you know, for a device with all of the extra space and this much of a battery capacity. You also get a USB-C to C and a travel pouch. So I don't think this has any juice, but what's cool here is if you look at the bottom of this, you see it has pins. So what they've made is a portable charging base. And boom, here it is. It also has slots so that you can charge other devices. Oh, 100 watts. That's not bad. That's really good. Oh, it's magnetic too. And it'll take an hour and 5 minutes at this rate. But that's dope. All right, I think we got a lot of cool stuff here, but you guys let me know what your favorite product is down below. Peace.